Okay, so we unpack the comics of Jose Rizal, the Filipino Hero's Life Illustrated. Yeah, and this is made by Ryo Kono and story by Takahiro Matsui. So, ito yung ibig sabihin ko na first. Kasi hindi naman first time na ginawa ng something comic si Rizal, maybe. Pero, sa alam ko lang, okay? Hindi talaga historically correct. Maybe, again, okay, maybe, correct me if I'm wrong. No problem for that. Stating the facts. But for me, this is a little bit of, hindi siya weird, but, let's say, unique. Kasi, ibang bansa ang gumawa nito. And, yeah, kasi, what I mean is, ibang tao, or I think hindi Pilipino.